Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up biometric unlock on your Honor 600 Lite 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. So we're going to open up the settings app. Now here in the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go to biometrics and password right here. And what are we going to do is we're going to go to biometrics. We're going to start off with the fingerprint ID. We need to throw our password first. Now we want to use it to unlock our device. We can also use it to access the safe, access the app lock, and we're going to click new fingerprint right here. We're going to click add, and now we place our finger. As you guys can see, we need to lift it when the device vibrates. So it's not one of those fingerprint scanners where you can just move your finger around and it will automatically scan. Now we need to go over and scan the edges. Now as you guys can see, the scanning of the edges is working perfectly fine. As you guys can see, now we got it. Let's click OK and let's go over and test it out. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna press, and it unlocks without any issues. Now we're going to do the face recognition. So we're going to click on the face recognition right here, enter the password again, click get started, and make sure that the face is in the frame. So let me quickly put my face into the frame. And you need to hold your device a bit close. Now, as you guys can see, we are done. Our face recognition is set up. And let's try it out. Let's see how that works. I did not do anything and yet it just opened. So let's try again. It also opened again. So it is working. Everything's working that we've set up. And now we can click here. We can go over draw the pattern and we can use it to unlock, show the notifications, access the app lock. And of course, for the fingerprint, we can do the same so we can access the safe. But first we need to enable it, and of course the app lock that we also need to enable. So that's basically how you guys can set it up. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.